Good morning, guys. Thank you for joining me today. Today we're going to do Unit 9, Unit 9, Day 9, and Day 10. Okay, first we're going to start out with Day 9. Okay, so most of the time you have seen addition problems where it's like 3 plus 2 equals 5. Well, another way you can write that addition problem, you will see, is 3 plus 2. And then you would write your answer underneath this line, like that. So that is what you're going to be dealing with today in Day 9. Your answer, you're going to write underneath this line, okay? It doesn't go on the side, or on top, or on this side. It goes underneath the line, okay? So let's get started with today's lesson. Okay, and today we are going to learn about doubles. Okay, and I know we have learned it before in my class. And what is a double? Well, all that a double means is that if you have a number, let's say you have the number 2, it means you just add it to another 2. So the doubles would be like 2 plus 2, or 3 plus 3. 7 plus 7. That is what doubles are. So this week you're going to be adding doubles, which it'll look like this, and you just write the number underneath it. Okay, so if I had 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, I could even use my number line with this, and if I start at 7 and I count up 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I get 14, and I write that underneath. One thing in math that you have to be very careful of, you know, sevens is in the ones place, so make sure your ones place is right underneath the sevens. So if 7 and 7 is 14, you know there's a 10 in it, and there's 4 ones. Okay, so make sure your 4 ones goes right underneath this 7 ones and this 7 ones. Just like I had the 2, those are all in the ones place. Okay, so 2 plus 2 is 4. If I had 9 plus 9, I know that 9 plus 9 is 18. 18, I would write it like this. Okay, so keeping my ones place nice and straight, and my tens moves over. Okay, so that's how we're going to do this week's Unit 9. So if you look, your Unit 9, Day 9. So here's what it looks like, Unit 9, Day 9. Okay, so it's just adding. Okay, so on the bottom, it also has a couple of word problems. So, and one talks about going to the movie theater. So I have a little picture up here, going to the movie theaters. So let's say Amelia and I are going to go to the movies. We're going to go see the new Trolls movie. And when we get to the movie theater, I wanted a drink, a popcorn, and 1 candy. So if I wanted a drink, how much would that be over here? Well, we looked to see how much a drink would be. So we would write that down. 2 plus, how much is a popcorn? 3 plus candy is 1. And these are all dollars, okay? You can't see the dollar sign very well, but they're dollars. Okay, so then we're going to add those all up. What is 2 plus 3 plus 1 equal? Okay, I know that 2 plus 3 is 5, and then if you add 1 more to 5, you get 6. So how much did I spend on drinks and popcorn and candy at the movie theater? I spent $6. Make sure you put the unit there, what it is. Is it 6 movie tickets I spent? What is it? No, it's $6 on drink, popcorn, and candy. Okay, so that is the first part. So that is day 9. So when you do day 10, it's going to be something similar. Okay, you're going to have a little picture thing with stuff from the store, and you're going to have to write out how much Tanner spent at the store. Okay, you have another word problem here, which you could do those word problems. But what this is up top, it's doubles plus 1. Okay, so instead of 5 plus 5, it's 5 plus 5 would be 10, and then 1 more would be 11. So for doubles plus 1, you just do your doubles, like 3 plus 3. And then you could do 3 plus 4. If you want to find out this answer, you could use something that looks like this. You can do your double and then add 1 more. So because 3 and 1 is 4. So 3 and 3, you know, doubles, if you know your doubles. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And that's the easy way to find out the doubles, plus 1. Okay? So, make sure you're learning your doubles. What's 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 4, and then you can find the easy way to solve 7 plus 8. So you would find 7 plus 7 first, and if you know your doubles, which you should be practicing your doubles, 7 plus 7 is 14, and 1 more is 15. Okay, that concludes our message and our Unit 9, Day 10 practice, and we will have one more for this week. So thank you for joining me. Goodbye.